guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Today is going to be a very fun day, let's just put it that way. I've been awake since 4 o'clock this morning, so we are going to get our much needed coffee. After yesterday, I decided I needed to have coffee because I just didn't want to feel like that today. I needed to be productive. I have a lot of things that I need to kind of check off my list. Today's mug, we're going to be using the San Francisco mug. Right now, I'm just gonna finish up with emails. I have to edit Vlogmas from yesterday. Let's get to work. Mom and I are back here. Say hi, Mom. Hi. The Thousand Oaks Mall. I actually have tickets for this one thing. I just want to show you guys what it is because I can't even believe that they have something like this in our neck of the woods. We're here. This is called FUNBOX.
No problem, have fun.
Thanks. Oh my gosh, look, it's the teddy bear room. So cute. Oh, this is so cute. It's a tunnel of teddy bears. There you go. Oh, this is so cute. And they're actual teddy bears, you guys. Ah, so cute. Look at this. It's just like a whole row of all these flowers. Kind of just going through the garden of flowers. Roses. Mom, walk through the garden of flowers. Do you hear that? There are birds chirping. There are. Mom told me to sit on the swings, but I told her I might break the swing. Big heart emoji. It's a big poop emoji. Oh, this one's cute. The angel. You want to take a picture here, Mom? Monkeys with bananas. It's to be called car wash. Monopoly. What do you think so far?
So far, so good.
I don't know, my mom's not really used to it. I can tell you guys, my husband, no. He would have been like, no. But I'm glad my mom, you know, she's a good sport. It's all alphabets. That is so cute. Let's go through this one. I've seen this one. Step in here, Mom. What is this? Whoa.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is the one.
It's similar to the one, huh? Yeah, similar to the one in LA.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is like the grand finale. It's a bowl of cereal. It's a big bowl of Fruit Loops. Mom, do you want to go in the bowl of Fruit Loops? Alright guys, so that was fun. I mean, it's something local. Did you enjoy, Mom?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, it's something local, and I guess for every bear that's purchased, the one, you know, the bear tunnel, they donate $1. And I guess that goes back to a child in need. Yeah, so it's a good cause. And it's only here at the Oaks Mall until January 3rd because it's essentially like a pop-up, and then it'll be somewhere else. So, yeah.
Okay. Right.
Thank you, Mom, for going with me.
You're welcome. I enjoyed it.
You guys know that spoon in the Fruit Loops bowl, the cereal bowl? That spoon was actually really heavy. You would think it would be light or made of foam or like light plastic, but no, that thing was like heavy, legit heavy. So my mom and I are having, well, I'm having a late lunch. My mom is having like a little snack, but I got something from Pho Tea here at the Oaks Mall. Vegetarian pho. Mom, what did you get? Hot dog on a stick. Do you want some of the pho? I'll get you a little bowl. We got some pho to go for the fam, and also I'm gonna try Oreo cookie smoothie with boba. I'm trying to avoid not getting a boba, but I think I just spilled it. It's the next morning. Didn't realize how tired I was yesterday, plus you guys know the deal. Tom's here. Mom, did you enjoy yesterday?
Yes.
Tickets were $17. I thought it was pretty cool that it was local. Like literally it was local. I mean, it was fun. I already know my husband would have not been all about that. He would have been like, okay, Christine, go take your pictures. It's definitely not his cup of tea. Go with somebody who is into, you know, taking pictures and like seeing stuff like that. It is that time again for 24 days of tea from David's Tea. Day number 13. Check out what is in day number 13. Ginger turmeric tonic. Low caffeine, steep for 3 to 4 minutes. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. It's got a very strong ginger scent. You can handle it in tea. You know, when you slice it, actually put it into your tea itself. But when it's like super gingery, I'm not really all about it. Here is our perfect spoonful. Its ingredients: ginger, genmaicha, green tea roasted rice, apple, turmeric, natural flavoring, and it's kosher. It's not containing any calories, so that's a good thing. Open day number 13. This is the bottom half of the bear. And we have, what is this? We have a holly berry. This is ready. Shoot, spilling. Oh, the freaking Christmas tree just fell inside my tea. Now my tea has little glitter specks in it. Maybe that's a sign. You know the tea that you get when you go to a Japanese restaurant, rice tea? It smells like that, but with a ton of ginger. And I know ginger is supposed to be really good for you, but I don't know. Okay, let me be quiet and let me try it. No, this one's a no-go. No, I don't like this tea. Let's get on to our daily tea talk from Create Happy Daily. What does your family think about your channel and vlogging? Was it easy to get their support when you decided to do this full time? Thank you so much for commenting, Create Happy Daily. This is a really good question. Throw it back a little bit to October 2011. That's actually when I first started my channel. They were supportive, but of course, my mom, you know, she wanted me to make sure that I'm taking care of my family, and you know, I know where my priorities are, because YouTube at that time was just a hobby, you know, and I really genuinely enjoy filming videos, being connected with you guys. Love YouTube. I still love YouTube up to this day, and it was just a lot of fun curating content. Way back in the day, my husband also was just more concerned, I think, with safety for the family. At first, he didn't want me to even have my face on YouTube. Of course, there are channels out there where there are unboxings and all you see are their hands. So, I mean, to each his own, right? But for me, I was like, no, that's not what I had envisioned for my channel. My husband was like, okay, fine, you know, do whatever it is you gotta do. That's when I was doing YouTube as a hobby, and I still had my 9 to 5. Let me actually go make another cup of tea, because I do not like this. I kind of feel weird that I don't have a cup of tea. All right, where was I? Talking about deciding to transition to YouTube full-time. You know, that's where it got kind of tricky, because my son understood, my husband kind of, you know, not really understanding everything about it, and then my parents were just like, why, you know, or especially my mom. She has been in insurance her whole life, so she knew the company I was working for was like essentially a really good company. I really had to do like a ton of explaining, because it's a different way of earning a living. Thankfully, after explaining it, I can tell you guys, my husband, he is 1,000 times supportive of me doing YouTube. Same with my son, same with my parents. I think it is the best feeling when you have your family supporting you with what you do, and it's a good feeling to know that they believe in you, and it's so super encouraging. That's where I am today. I still haven't had any tea yet and tell you guys I like this tea so much better. Let's go ahead and eat our chocolate really quickly. Thank you so much for commenting. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my choice jasmine green tea, which you guys know I love. We're gonna toss this other one out. We're gonna hang up our ornament for day number 13. All right, guys, this is my vanity table. My vanity table, raw, unfiltered, and extremely messy. Day number 13. Let's hang it up right here in the front. Think that's good? Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas day number 13 here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing Friday, and I will see you guys tomorrow or a little bit later for Vlogmas day 14.